The current situation related to COVID is really not good in our country. It seems everyone is affected by this some way or the other. Very recently, even I got infected with coronavirus. I was detected COVID positive. It was really disheartening for me and affected me a lot because I'm already in my sixth month and having COVID at this point of time is really scary. Initially, I got very scared, but then took a moment to think about it. Everything works with mind, so I thought that it's very important that I need to be very positive at this stage, especially for myself and my baby, and I need to keep my mental and physical health really strong. So, in today's video, I will be sharing a day in my life, how I spent my days in isolation, what did I do whole day, and how did I maintain my positivity and mental balance all throughout. The days are quite tough for everyone these days, and it is really important we take one day at a time easily and keep our mental health strong so that we can physically recover as early as possible. So immediately after I got detected with COVID positive, I isolated myself in a room and I did not come out of the room for the next 14 days. I had my in-laws take care of myself. Even my husband got detected with COVID positive, but he supported me a lot mentally. So my day used to start at 8 a.m. The first thing that I do after I get up is have some water. And immediately after having water, since I'm detected with thyroid during my pregnancy, I have to take a medicine called Thyronorm. So I'll quickly take that. And after that, I'll get out of my bed. As I cannot step outside of my room, I'll just open the curtains, try to get some fresh air or some sun, and then get started with my day. So I'll quickly freshen up, and after that, I'll go and meditate. I prefer to meditate every morning. It is not something that I practice regularly, but during this isolation time, I made sure that I meditate every day in the morning for 15 to 20 minutes because this time really helped me in organizing my thoughts, getting positivity from all around, and even gathering positive thoughts and thinking positive for future. So, after meditating as a ritual since my pregnancy, I've started to have some dry fruits and fresh fruits in the morning. So, right now I'm having some dry fruits and fresh fruits. So, dry fruits that I eat are some soaked badam, walnut, and some raisins. Now is the time for breakfast. So, the best part about these days is I really don't have to cook anything and I'm served hot meals just outside my room. Even though I love cooking, but in isolation, of course, I can't touch anything and I have to stay isolated. So today for breakfast, I'm having some hot tea and poha. So my cup of tea is more like a kada, which contains important ingredients like adrak, elaichi, tulsi, long, dalchini, sauf, which is important to cure corona early. So I make sure that I have a cup of tea at least in a day and preferably in the morning. Now done with the shower, what I'll quickly do is I'll just jot down my thoughts. I do some journaling these days. It's not that I create a to-do list for every day during my regular schedule. No, it doesn't happen really, though I really want to do it and follow it regularly. But these 14 days I followed it religiously and making sure I make some part of the day productive for myself. So that's what I'm doing right now. All the to do items that I have to complete today, I'm just writing them, and at the end of the day I make sure and I just tick the items that I complete, and if there's anything that's left behind, I make sure that I do it the next day. So I'm done with this and it's already time for lunch now, and my lunch is just outside my room and I'll quickly go and grab it. So for today in the lunch I have some mutton and vegetable pulao, and this pulao contains some important ingredients like long, elaichi, tej patta, dalchini, all of that which is important to cure corona like I said. And on the side, I'm having it with some curd, which contains methi, hing, and jeera tadka. And on the side, I have some papad as well to add some taste and flavor to my dish. Also, there are other few medicines that I have to take regularly. Some are my prenatal medicines, which are regular vitamins, and the other medicines are those which I have to take just because of corona. These are some extra medicines because I can't take harsh medicines or antibiotics during pregnancy. After having lunch and completing a few to do items from my tasks today, I'll quickly go and do some calls and catch up with my friends and family because it is important that I stayed in touch and had some positivity all around. So I used to do video calls or audio calls with my friends and family. So right now I am talking to my family, my husband, and my friends, doing some video calls and talking around, laughing a bit. I really enjoyed this time that I spend with my family and friends, talking to them, doing video calls, and this really saved me all throughout my isolation and quarantine period. So after completing all these calls, I'll quickly go back to my to-do list and complete few other items in my task notes, and I'll maybe do some reading here and there. And by this time, it already is dinner time, and I just got a knock on my door and the dinner is ready. So today for dinner I am having chapati, loki kofta, and some salad. Salad is really important to include in your meal because it keeps you hydrated all the time and increases your immunity. So I'm just having it and enjoying my dinner. So that's how my day completes, and it's already 9 p.m. and I'm already done with the dinner. The last thing that I take before sleeping is some hot milk with some haldi, and then I'll go to bed by 11 p.m. I try to sleep early these days so that I can just relax and sleep for 9 to 10 hours at least. So that's how my day typically looks like these days. It is pretty slow, calm, and at an easy peasy pace. I did what I wanted to do. I did not do if I didn't feel like doing anything. Slept a lot, relaxed a lot. We don't get such days in our busy schedule during normal life, and hence, relishing such moments are also important. And these moments really help us in recovering fast if we talk about physical health or mental health. So that's about it today, guys. I just wanted to share a day of my life with you all. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do leave a comment for me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care, stay safe, goodbye.